Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm here together with Kim Werner. And a lot of you guys know that I'm very passionate to help families through divorce with all their real estate goals. And that's how I met Kim. Kim, tell us a little bit about what you do when you help families.
Well, my background is in family law. I'm technically a family law paralegal, and I am lucky enough to be involved with three really, really excellent local family law mediator attorneys. And we
Yes.
have banded together to form a workshop for people in divorce called Divorce 101 San Diego.
Fantastic.
And it's my firm belief that anyone who is about to embark upon the divorce journey can benefit by gathering as much information about the process as possible before they start.
Mhm.
Because the more information you have and the more understanding you have of the process, the less likely you will end up in a long, protracted court battle with your spouse, which is the last thing you want because it costs thousands and thousands of dollars to litigate a divorce. It damages relationships with your family, with your coworkers, with your own physical health, your mental health. And so it really, really is an advantage to be able to understand the process more and hopefully work with your spouse as opposed to working against them in a court.
Wonderful. Okay. So, what I hear you say is that at the workshop, people can take information home with them and start strategizing about how they want to go about their divorce.
Exactly. The workshop is designed to take the attendee through all the phases of divorce, from the initial filing to preparing their declarations of disclosure, to reaching agreements, to filing that agreement with the court. We also explain to them what the purpose is of all those divorce forms they're going to encounter. We explain some general divorce terminology. We discuss things like parenting plans, child support, spousal support, how to divide assets. And one thing that is really valuable for people in this workshop is we help them discover strategies to make decisions about the family residence, because the family residence is almost always one of the main issues in divorce.
Yes.
And people are faced with a lot of decisions concerning that residence as to whether to sell, whether to keep the residence, or whether to own the residence together. And so we can help them be able to make decisions early on in the process concerning their house.
Perfect. So basically, you give the information and people can make an educated decision about how they want to move forward with a divorce.
Exactly.
Sounds great.
Exactly.
Thank you, Kim. And where can people find your information or find more about the locations
Sure.
or the dates that you have available?
First of all, Divorce 101 San Diego is offered one Saturday morning a month, and that
Oh.
Saturday morning varies depending upon which location we're using. And we're fortunate to be able to partner with National University, and they offer their campuses free of charge for us, so that's why we do not have to charge for this workshop.
Oh, it's
a
free?
workshop. Yes, it is. It's a free workshop.
Wonderful. Glad to hear.
And so one Saturday morning a month, the workshop starts at 9 o'clock and generally runs to about 12 to 12:30, sometimes a little bit later if we have a lot of questions. We have coffee, we have snacks, we have things to eat, things to drink. And so they would go onto our website, which is divorce101sandiego.com. They can shoot me an email at divorce101sandiego@gmail, or you can call me at any time for information about the workshop, and my phone number is 858-282-4894.
That sounds great. Thank you so much for sharing today, Kim.
You are very
And
welcome.
I'm really glad to hear that people have the resources that you provide.
Yeah.
Thank you. See you soon.
You're very